Hi guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a super easy but fun pair of earrings. We're going to use these adorable snowy reindeer buttons from Dress It Up Buttons. And we're going to use this beautiful mix by Jesse James Beads called Sparkle Season. We're going to need some ear wires, some loop head pins, and some jump rings. So I have all my items laid out here that we're going to need, all of our findings. I picked out 2 beads, and the reason I'm only using 2 beads is because these are rather large, so I just want to put one little accent bead. What I have here is my deer, and I'm going to take some flatbacks, which Dress It Up Buttons does carry flatbacks, and I'm going to take a little bit of super glue, and just on the center of each one of these, I'm going to put a dab super glue. It's a bit much on that one. Just a tiny bit you need. And just dab that on there. You can use whatever glue you prefer. And I have a wax tip pen here, guys. I'm just going to grab those gems, set them where I want them on the piece, and then I'm going to take my metal end and just kind of move it into place where I want it. And same thing on this side. Just going to put that in the center, make sure I have it exactly where I want it. Move it down just a smidge. There we go. Perfect. So once our little flatbacks are dry, all we're going to do is take one of these loop pins and we're going to add on the bead of our choice. Or you can put more beads if you like extra long earrings. We're just going to do a simple loop by bending this horizontally. We're going to leave about a little less than 1/4 of an inch. That's what I like to do. And then I'm going to bring in my round nose pliers and just grab the very tip of that wire, just like so. And we're going to roll that back, to make a loop on the top, just like you have one on the bottom. All right, we're going to do that one more time. Add the bead on, bend your wire horizontally, trim to approximately a 1/4 of an inch, and then roll our wire back, making a nice loop on top as we have on the bottom. So all we're going to do with that at this point, guys, like I said, this is a super easy one. We're just going to take our chain nose pliers and we're going to grab a jump ring and we're going to put the cut side up and we're going to open up a jump ring. We're going to grab our bead that we just put the loops on and hang that onto the jump ring, and then put this jump ring right through the antler of our little deer. Just like so. Close that jump ring. Make sure it's closed nice and snug as you rock it back and forth. Okay. Have our little shambhala bead on there. Aren't these just the most adorable? These deer, they don't need a whole lot to make them stunning. So they are already stunning. So the same thing, grab your little bead you created with your loops and through your little ear or your antler of your deer. Just like so. And then all that's left to do, guys, is put on an ear wire. But the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to check and make sure all my loops are facing the way I want them to be. So I have one facing side to side and one going front to back, and I want them both side to side so my ear wire will go in nicely and the earring will sit right. So once you have your beads on, the next step is just to add your ear wires, your bead links, we should call those. And I'm just going to put my ear wire through the link. Here, I'm going to have to push this one up just a smidge as I'm doing that. There we go. And then we're just going to close that. Close the ear wire. Okay. That's one. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear these. And then this just shows you it doesn't take a lot to make something really beautiful. Simple can be beautiful as well. But there you go, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with these. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I cannot wait to get these in my ears. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.